To reverse a video in CapCut, okay, is easy. First is to get to your CapCut application and open it, which after that, you import the video. So here I have imported the video. Let's just play it and see how it moves. Okay, this clip is divided into two, but I will like to experiment with one. You can see how the wristwatch is coming out from the ground. Okay, so let's now reverse this. So I will tap on the clip first. If you want to reverse, tap on the clip first, then push towards the left. All right, so that you see some other tools you can use. So keep pushing until you get to the end. And look at reverse is one of the options here. So tap on that. So give it time for it to finish reversing. Okay, so the reversing is done. Since our reason for this video is just to give sample, so let me just delete this second clip so that we know that we are focusing on just this first clip. So let's now play it to see if the reverse worked fine. You can see the video now goes back instead of coming forward, it's going backward. So it works. So after that, tap on export and then export the video.